What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the randoms for the serial number filler. So we got 4 autos. We're just going to do the randoms. You guys are each going to get a chance. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got the 4 autos. It's going to be the Gensel, the Lee, the Dadanoff, and the Schultz, followed by all the non-numbered inserts. So we got 5 up here. And we're going to do each list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Ethan, you get the Gensel. There you go. Nice Gensel auto for you. This is for the Lee. 1, 2, 3. Adam. You get the Lee. This is for the Dadanoff. 1, 2, 3. Rob. You get the Dadanoff. And for the Schultz, 1, 2, 3. Ethan, you get the Schultz. There you go. And for all the non-numbered inserts, good luck. 1, 2, and 3. Adam, that's yours. There you guys have it.